Guys, it's Pinoy Aussie back at it again. So today guys, I'm gonna make a tortilla wrap recipe with some ground beef and some chicken, and later on I'm gonna assemble it guys, and at the same time I'm gonna show you how to cook it. So let's go guys! Woo! So this is the ingredients for our tortilla recipe guys. I got some meats, which is beef and chicken, and we got some tomato, onion, some avocado, and tortilla wrap. And also I'm gonna make a homemade crispy fries, which is like a French fries. Jalapeno, tomato, onion, so this is our ingredients for our tortilla wrap. So we got our ingredients: some pepper, thyme, parsley, and salt and olive oil. So all we're gonna do first guys is to marinate the chicken. Put lemon, then pepper, salt, some herbs, parsley, some thyme, then olive oil. And just mix it guys. I forgot to put guys also some paprika. Then mix it. There it is. So we'll just set aside this one first and do the other ingredients. I'm gonna cook the beef guys. Put some oil a little bit. Also the chicken. I'm gonna stir it up. Put the onion. The beef. Garlic. The beef. Salt, pepper, tomato paste, then our spices, some chili powder, sweet paprika. chicken. chicken is already cooked, guys. Now we just have to finish our beef, reduce it a bit more, and that's it. So guys, we're gonna assemble now our tortilla wrap. So get a close up, bro. So first we're gonna put the sour cream, spread it all over. Spread it all over, guys. Don't worry, I wash my hands, guys. First I'm gonna do the chicken flavor. So we're gonna put it around here. Chicken, then maybe some lettuce. Tomato, and cheese in this area, maybe some jalapeno as well, some onions. Now we're gonna fold it, guys. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna toast it here on a hot pan. We're gonna press it using another pan. Assemble our beef flavor. Tortilla wrap, we're gonna cut here in half. Quarter, I mean. Put the sour cream. Some avo, guys. Maybe onion, jalapeno, some cheese, it's alright. Then we're gonna fold it. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna heat it up in the pan. Put the plate up, guys. Our fries, nice and crispy. Homemade fries. Lettuce, onion, tomato, some carrots, then some dressing, lemon vinaigrette, then we got a sauce, sour cream and chili sauce, sweet chili, guys, and sour cream. That's it. Okay.